My name is Corey Chandler. I'm the Deputy Communications Director for Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. Here to confirm that there was a plane crash today, and our game warden pilot was doing a test flight after routine maintenance, and he reported having problems. The plane came down with no injuries to bystanders. He was taken to the hospital to be checked, and that's what we know at this time.
So, they had recently done maintenance on the plane, and he was taking it for a test, and then we heard that he was trying to have an emergency landing at the TPWD. Could you go through his procedure for using this as a landing?
Actually, I can't speak to that at the moment, but I can get more information for you. Anybody? He has gone to the hospital to be checked. That's what I know at this point. So. Yes, he was. I can get that for you and get back to you. I understand he was an experienced pilot, but I don't know the years of experience.
You said he was doing a test flight and then reported having problems. Can you just kind of go over the actual issue again?
Correct. Yes, he was doing a test flight. Reported mechanical issues, and then landed the plane. I can get that and verify that for you.
What's the plan with the plane in the water? Like, how long is the plane out?
So they are working on the plan for that at the moment. At the moment, our main concern is just making sure that we are dealing with the safety of everybody that was involved in getting that resolved, and then we will work out a plan for when we're removing the plane.
Can you go over what type of plane this was now?
Yes, I do have that information. It was a 2009 Cessna T206. Tail number was N52854. I don't have that, but I can find out.
What is this plane normally? I mean, what does he normally do if this plane is in operation? I mean, we've seen game wardens do a lot of things, but what does this plane do?
That's another piece I'll have to verify for you.
Okay.
So.
I guess why does this person not like this
Let me get some information on that, and I'll provide it to you. So.
Did someone help the pilot out of the water?
He came out on his own, but there was somebody nearby who came out on a paddleboard and helped him to get to shore.
What is his status now?
He is at the hospital getting checked at the moment.
Will there be some sort of investigation?
Yes, I'm sure that we will do a follow-up on this. Is there any other questions at the moment?
The rescue thing, so he just basically got out of the plane, was able to get out on his own, swam to the paddleboard.
That's my understanding of the events, yes.
So you called it a landing. Did he try to land on the water?
I can get verification of that for you. That's what I have at the moment, so I can get some answers for you on those pieces and get back to you. So, thank you.